The island of Lombok in Indonesia is known as the Island of 1,000 Mosques. In the capital city Mataram is where I found the biggest one. I decided to go visit on a Friday and pray with locals, but of course not before my daily fix of coconuts.
So there's a man coming to cut my coconuts. This is actually giving me goosebumps. I didn't think it would hit me. Okay.
Are you from Morocco?
I'm from Morocco, how do you know?
Your husband.
Huh?
Your husband.
My husband?
Yeah. I saw him this walk.
So this is where all the men pray. Hey guys, so today I'm going to the biggest mosque of Lombok. It's also the Islamic center. So I'm looking forward to learning more about it. All I know is that it was spread here very peacefully. So it came from the Ottoman Empire times to Indonesia, and now today Indonesia is honoring Islam very well with these mosques. And everywhere I am in Lombok, I hear the call to prayer. It's very nice, it's very soothing for me. And also today is Friday. I actually received some really sad news of a passing of someone who was dear to me, like a father from Senegal. So I'm gonna go for the Friday prayers today, honoring Senegal with this dress I bought there. And yeah, I'm keeping him in my prayers, in my thoughts. And also I want to show you guys what it's like if you come to Lombok, what it's like to go to the biggest mosque here in Lombok, and what it's like to be around the Muslim community. So stay tuned.
First stop, Kelapa Muda. This is coconuts in Indonesia. These wonderful ladies here. It's a coconut stop, and in Lombok it comes, in Mataram, the city where I am, it comes as these carts. Hello! Oh, you're cuties! Look at them! Everyone's so friendly here, saying hello. I love it. So I was just saying, so I'm in Mataram, which is the capital city of Lombok, where this Islamic center is. And it's, as you can see, blue skies, but also very hot, which I don't mind. I would rather be in the heat than in the cold. And yeah, so I stopped for a coconut. It is my daily fix now wherever I go. I absolutely love coconuts. And actually this morning I realized from eating all these coconuts, my skin is really soft on my body. So yeah, I'm gonna keep using this natural medicine, natural skin cleanser. It's amazing. And yeah, they come. So everywhere you go, like on the road, you see these little carts. They sell coconuts and then these juices as well. They mix like the coconut flesh with these syrups. Okay. Weird little syrups, and then you can also buy your snacks here. Oops, ouch. And cigarettes. Like all Indonesia is the amount of plastic they use, which is yeah a bit of a problem because it ends up in the ocean, as I've seen. But you know, oh, she's back. So the lady went to get a good machete to break my coconut. So yeah, I think she's back now. So okay. Okay. The man, okay. Well, she went to get some help. So there's a man coming to cut my coconuts. She wanted to give me a straw, but obviously I don't want plastic, so drinking it straight from the shell, which is the best way to have it in my opinion. That's how they do it in Africa too. It's really good. Terima kasih. Very good. My God, that coconut was really good and it was really fleshy. So quick little fact about coconuts. My favorite ones are the young ones. So when the shell is greener, most likely you're gonna get the flesh and the juice is sweeter, in my opinion, because I've had the older coconuts and I didn't really like them. But for those who prefer the crunchy type, go for the older coconuts, which will be brown on the outside, a bit more brown. So yeah, this one was just hit the spot for me. And it's my breakfast. I didn't have breakfast, so that was my nice healthy breakfast. I'm walking now to the mosque, but I might actually get on a bike because it's almost time for prayer and they might not allow me to visit, because I actually want to visit the mosque before praying, and prayer time's in like 30 minutes. So
وأن المساجد لله.
this is actually giving me goosebumps, making me cry. I didn't think it would hit me. Yeah, very powerful to be here. It's a feeling. Islam has traveled so far. Now I don't know if I can enter the mosque, if I can go pray, if there's a women's section, so I'm gonna find out. But yeah, it's quite emotional to be here, to be honest. It's such a strong feeling, and obviously today I had some sad news about a passing. So yeah, this is what it's like inside the mosque in Indonesia, the biggest mosque in Mataram of Lombok. Yeah.
Dan pendengar 1 KKI Wathan dimanapun berada rahimahullah. Marilah kita dengarkan dan menyimak bersama.
Masih sebentar lagi akan kita mulai. Sebelumnya izinkan kami menyampaikan.
So I arrived just at the time for the prayer, and now it's only the men who can do the Friday prayer. I found a group of women who told me that it's upstairs for them after the men, so I'm gonna go back after with the women. They said there's a place for me to do my washing and to put some covering, so I'll be doing that. But in the meantime, whilst the men are praying, I'm actually going to the immigration office, which is right in front of the mosque, because I extended my visa, so I need to go get my passport. So it's very convenient, it's just in front of the mosque. So yeah, I'm doing that in the meantime. And I think it's much better than doing it in Bali, because it only takes like 6 days here. So and I can't go there in the meantime because it's closed, and I'm guessing it's closed because everyone went to pray for Friday. It's very sacred here, so yeah, I have to wait till 1 p.m. to go into the immigration office. And also I'm okay, no transport. I'm just walking.
Are you from Morocco?
I'm from Morocco, how do you know?
Husband.
What?
Husband.
My husband?
Yeah. I saw him this walk.
Moroccan?
Yeah. You live there, yeah?
No, I don't have a Moroccan husband.
Oh, because I saw the man from Morocco.
Yeah?
And he stay in the Prem Hotel.
Oh.
You stay in the Prem Hotel?
No, I'm somewhere else. No.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not married. I didn't meet any Moroccans here.
But are you from Morocco?
I'm from Morocco, yes. How do you know? I was at the mosque. I want to pray after. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Where you stay here?
I'm in Gading.
Oh, Gading's house. I know.
Yeah.
I have a shuttle bus going to Kuta. Oh, really?
No, I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going back to Bali.
Oh,
Yeah.
to Bali.
Yeah.
Gading.
What's your name, brother?
Sabri.
Sabri, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
I'm
you too.
Amel.
Yeah, thank you. Have you seen the waterfall?
Waterfalls, I've seen some, yes.
In Lombok.
Not in Lombok, no.
Lombok, nice waterfall.
No.
And you can see the countryside.
Countryside.
You like countryside?
Yes, I was in Sekotong.
Oh no, different.
Yeah, I was there. It was nice. Yeah.
Countryside in here, rice field, mountain view.
Yeah. I did all that. Yeah. Getting a guide here. My God, how funny was that? Guy was like, "Are you Moroccan?" Like, how the hell do you know I'm Moroccan? And then I saw your husband. I'm like, wait, what? Do I have a husband? A Moroccan husband I don't know about? What is this? So yeah, I'm still walking around. I'm gonna find a place to eat and then go back to the mosque. So it's an Islamic center, but really it's a mosque. There's no real history there. But from what I know, there's a sultan who came from the Ottoman Empire and spread Islam in Indonesia using puppets, because puppet shows are a very, very big popular thing here in Indonesia, and that's how he told stories of Islam through puppets, and how the population converted very peacefully. And it's not like, you know, in North Africa or other parts of the world where there was an invasion. So the conversion to Islam was more violent. But here in Indonesia, there was no war. It was no one knows like the exact time it spread and the why. They just say the puppets helped to spread it, but there's obviously other tales, and other people who used to do the trade route brought back stories with them from India, from the Ottoman Empire, Middle East, Oman. All these places contributed to this influence of Islam in Southeast Asia, and as we know today, Indonesia is the biggest Muslim population. So I find that incredible, and I was really just looking at everyone in the mosque doing their ablutions, and everyone looked so peaceful. And yeah, it's like this is this is shared across the continents, and it's just so beautiful. And I shared a tear or two. So yeah, incredible experience. But I'm not sure there's an actual center for information. I actually find it hard to see any English signs. Okay, so I've stopped for coffee, and this is actually the nicest coffee I've had in all of Indonesia, Bali included. So yeah, really nice. It's called Woods Cafe, and it's not far. Just had the best coffee ever. That coffee was from Sumatra, so I asked. He said the beans are from Sumatra, which is known to be Indonesian's finest coffee beans. So yeah, Woods Cafe, guys, if you're in Lombok, near the visa office, near the mosque, near like the center. It's so good. And I had food. I had the rice, fried rice. It was 25k. So with the coffee, I was 50k, which is £2.50 in the UK for a meal and a coffee. That price doesn't even get you one coffee in the UK, and I just had lunch and the most incredible coffee. So yeah, loving Indonesia. Alright, so it's upstairs to pray. I'm just coming up, and apparently it's beautiful, as I was told. To be quiet though. I have to be very quiet, sir. So yeah, I'm gonna try to film just the insides of the mosque. But then, yeah, it's going to be reflection and prayer time for me. Yeah. It's impressive. So this is where all the men pray, and that section behind me is where the women pray. So they have that little corner to pray. But yeah, now it's open for tourists, so we can go inside and have a look
how majestic this is. It's beautiful. I mean, this roof is stunning. Alaikum salam. It's okay. Are you okay?
Where do you come from?
Morocco.
Morocco.
Yes.
Your friend?
Who?
Your friend here?
They're from Morocco? No, I'm alone.
Oh.
Yeah, I travel alone. Yeah, so I make videos, okay?
Oh.
It's okay to make
Yeah,
video?
it's okay.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm staff here.
Oh, you staff? Okay, yeah. What's your name?
Purnai.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Amal. What's the construction there?
Yeah.
It's the same, the stars?
Broken after earthquake. Yeah.
Sorry?
This is broken after earthquake.
Broken after
Yeah.
the earthquake. Ah,
Maintenance.
yes. There was a big earthquake here. Yes, it's true.
Maintenance help.
Maintenance there, up there. Yeah. This design is from Morocco there. You see that one? Up there, yeah. That in that balcony. I don't know if you can see, but that's actually a Moroccan design we see in our mosques. But yeah, it's beautiful. Thank you. Terima kasih. Wow. Stunning. A mosque in Asia. Amazing. And this is like an altar, like for the direction of the Qibla, so direction to Saudi. Yeah, this is also like a place for people to chill, take a nap, come here for reflection, and yeah, just switch off from their day, just come and relax here. So yeah, it's a very interesting experience. I mean, just praying next to Indonesian population, really, that's something I didn't think I would do at this point in this year, but here we go. You never know where your travels take you. I thought I was just going to Bali, and I ended up here, this beautiful mosque. I hope you enjoyed this insight into Mataram's mosque and Lombok's biggest mosque, and see you next time.